where I've been for the past few weeks at least. To be honest, I don't know who I am, and you deserve a better man. To be quite frank, everything has changed. I don't remember that day when I found you against a backdrop of the mountains and blue sky, when I ran away. Seasons change, and I'm still finding flame in the barren plainlands, in the fields, and I'm 1,000 miles away, and nothing here's the same. Na, 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 na. And I've been traveling the world over, found you yet. Oh, your eyes were alight like a wildfire inside your head, and then I fled. Drive my actions, but the love I've spoken of, and the words that I might say now, be the words from your own mouth. As the trees continue swaying, and the clouds begin to part, let the best of my intentions show the motives of my heart. Love has changed the way we see things. Love has made us new again. Recognize that there is beauty in the infinite and the headwinds. Let me see the way you're growing through the headwinds pushing back. Yeah, it's hard to recognize that we are more than what we lack. You are full of bursting plant bulbs. You are rays of springtime sun. Oh my love, open your soul to all the things you're made to be. And as the trees continue swaying, and the clouds begin to part, Let the sum of your intentions show the growth of your own heart. What is feared but our own failures and the futures that we see? Please just know that you are more than all the moments you are weak.
We're all falling and we need a place to hide. A safe place somewhere in the woods we can start a fire. All we know is what will be our home. We will stay until the break of dawn. The cold night takes us to a place to escape the chill. Tucked up somewhere in the woods on a hill. Wake up feeling the cold in between our toes. Is there a way back? Nobody knows. And we leave it all behind. Can't you see? We need some time. And we all sit around the fire. We feel a little warmer now. And we all sit around the fire. We feel so much better now. And we all sit around the fire. We feel a little warmer now. And we all sit around the fire. We feel so much better now. Friend of mine, down by the seaside, skipping stones, we watch the changing tide. Far from home, Now we sleep in rows, stories told, walking down windy roads. The water flowed down in the valley where we arose and hiked the mountainside, cobblestones all through the cities on the road. We've come to know that time is all we have, so we go and won't look back. We will run with a heart that is oh so young. We have come to a place we can go as one. We will run.